Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, fog lights, compass, security alarm, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, Sirius Satellite Radio, HD radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.